The topic for today is all about function. For the given example, f of x equals 2x plus 3. So I put already the x values, the input value, and the output value. So before we calculate the x and f of x, I will put first the values of x. Negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, and 2. So, we will take the negative 2 to the function, which means we will put the value of x, which means when you have a f of negative 2 equals 2 times negative 2 plus 3, it will be negative 4 plus 3 equals negative 1. So that's the first value, negative 1. For the next value, we will take the f of negative 1, 2 times negative 1 plus 3. Negative 1 is take 2, 2 is taking negative 1 plus 3. There's gonna be negative 2 plus 3, and we will got the 1. And for the f of 0, 2 times 0 plus 3 equals 3 already. And then we can now evaluate x equals 1. So we say f of 1, 2 times 1 plus 3 equals 5. Then for the last value, f of 2 plus 2 times 2 plus 3 equals 7. So there you have it. The f of x and the x, value of x. So we will graph for the given f of x equals 2x plus 3. So we will indicate first the x values. The negative 1, negative 2, 0, 1, and 2. This is negative 1. So 1, 3, 5, 7. So earlier, we calculate the x and f of x. So we'll plot the f of x values. So first is negative 2 and negative 1. So here for negative 1 and 1, here 0 and 3, 1 and 5 here, so 2 and 7 here. So we'll draw a line. Sorry if it's not a perfect line. So this given example is a linear function. And for the second example, let's say we're gonna take First, the given f of x plus 2x, and we'll put the input values and the output values. Here is the output values. So I'm gonna show you how it looks. So put the same exact point. The -2, -1, 0, 1, and 2. This is the exact point. The value will stick f of x and equals to squared. Okay, I will take the f of x, f of -2, so -2 and 2. Make sure you stick the negative quantity into the squared. So 4. Here, will I have the function of -1. Stick the -1, -1 here, and 1. So for the function of 0, evaluated from the 0, 0 squared, so it will be 0. So f evaluated +1, +1 squared 1, so 1. So for the f of 2 evaluated 2x, 2 squared and 4. Notice the interesting about this x squared function. Even the negative values, it will end up getting a positive values on the output f of x. Because you have a function x squared, no matter what the input it is, negative or positive, you're gonna still get a positive answer. So let's take a look for the graph now. Here. The graph. So the x values are indicated already. And let's say it is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We're gonna put the -2, 4, -1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, and 4. We'll draw a line now. For example, for the first one, the -2 and the 4 here. Here. -1 and 1 here. 0, 0 here in the center. Here, 1 and 1, +1 and 1. And second is the 2 and 4. Same as the -2. So we will trace now. Oops. Sorry. Sorry for the trace. So this given example is not a linear function. It is the quadratic function.